what Aisha Yusuf said about the mother of four arrested for 6 days by soldiers. Remember sometimes last that the governor of Lagos imposed a 24 hours curfew in the city of Lagos. This was after the EndSARS peaceful protest was hijacked by thugs and hoodlums. The military had to be invited to ensure peace and restore stability in the state. The news reaching Punch News after they had a one-on-one chat with some people arrested by the police and military days ago showed that some of the people paraded as thugs by the police for breaching the curfew were actually innocent Nigerians. A woman whose name was withheld was bold enough to speak out to the newsmen who came around, not minding what may befall her after they are gone. She later said her was Aishat Muhammad and that she is a mother of four. Mrs. Aishat told the interviewer that she has been with the police custody for 6 days now, that she was arrested when she went out to buy food for her family. It all happened that the military men were chasing down some hoodlums which were running towards her and some group of people. She said she kept walking because she believed she didn't commit any offense, so no reason to run. The military men called her and others. They walked up to them, but surprisingly, they were asking to lie down. When she tried to explain, she was asked to keep quiet. According to her, there were 8 women in number who were arrested on that fateful day, but 2 have been released by the military men because they are Hausa and could speak the language fluently. She said she hasn't called or heard from her family for 6 days now, and that nobody knows her whereabouts till now. Interviewed paraded suspect at the police command yesterday, and you didn't need soothsayer to tell you that some of these individuals could indeed have been innocently picked up on the street. This woman was weeping all along, and a little speak up confidently helped her too. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, that is our Nigerian government for you. See, I don't know. Our Nigerian soldiers should better hold a cool. They should better hold their cool because they should not allow themselves to be looked down on. They know what is expected of them. They know their own duties and responsibility. Their duty is not to be terrorizing and attacking innocent people on the road. Their duty is to face those in Sambisa forest, those in Borno, Katsina, those hoodlums, those bandits, those jihadis. They are the people they have sent them to go and attack, and not the ordinary civilians walking freely and peaceful on their own. See how they almost put themselves in trouble. See how they almost put themselves in trouble. Huh? The Nigerian soldiers are not known to be people that collect bribes. I would have said that they have been given bribe to go out and massacre those youths at the Lekki toll gate. So that is why I'm of this advice to them. They should better hold their cool. They should better respect themselves. They should better do as instructed. They should better stay away from innocent citizens. Look at this innocent woman now. For the fact that she's a woman is one of the reasons why they're supposed to even let her go immediately. Because they can't expect a woman of this kind with children to get to join those hoodlums they are chasing, despite the fact that the woman wasn't even running. She was even walking to let them know that yes, that she is innocent of whatever they are pursuing those people for. For even allowing this woman to stay for 6 days. 6 days is even too much. 24 hours is too much for such a woman in a station. It is wrong. It is wrong. It is wrong. It is wrong. I want to use this medium to call on the federal government to intervene into this issue immediately. It should no longer be a state issue. See, the Nigerian soldiers should better call themselves to order. They should better call themselves to order. Buratai, I don't know what you are doing. I don't know what you are doing. Your soldiers are now interfering over matters that doesn't concern them. It is wrong. Call them to order. Reorient them. Restructure them. I don't know if it is the new recruits that are doing that are behaving or that are misbehaving. I don't know. I still don't know. If they are the one, they need to be reoriented. They need to be called to order. They need to be reinstigated. Do you understand? Being a soldier doesn't mean that you want everyone to be afraid of you. Do you join the Nigerian soldiers in order to be intimidating people? Do you join the Nigerian soldier in order to be humiliating people? Harassing people? Is that why you join Nigerian soldiers? If that's the reason why you join Nigerian soldier, you will never last. You will never last. You will not stay long because it will never work. Could it work? I'm telling you. So you better do what you know that is right. You better do what you know that is peaceful. Nigerian soldiers are not known to be people of that kind. Do you understand? They are not known to be the type. The needful is what must be done, and it must be properly done. Oye, so, my viewers, what is your take? What is your take? What's your advice? Please and please and please, I plead to you. I plead to your conscience. Please, your own contribution concerning this lady that has just been arrested and been given maltreatment that she doesn't deserve are very much important. Do you understand? So please deem it fit to leave your own side of the comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.